lang. I'm trying to explain so you can, di ba? Hindi naman ako nag-argue dito na kung dahil pinipilit ko eh. At least you would understand.
I understand. Let them in. They're gas feet and they're hungry.
Naisip.
Thank you, Divine.
I understand. That's why I said
Sandali, no. Ang point lang is, why would Kuya just randomly put people with a lock?
It can be any point. Isipin mo.
And sila mismo pumipilit na pumasok.
Kasi naalala ko that is later, pag meron mga guest si Kuya.
But that was that day. I don't even know anything about the show even before.
Okay, pero ikaw as a person, pag pinapasok mo siya, kahit magalit si Kuya.
Anong dati?
At may reasoning ka.
It says it in the rulebook also. Don't do anything unless Kuya gives a hujat. He gave us a
Ako, I
fresh
want to
new
risk
rulebook.
that. Gusto ko i-risk yun.
No, ako actually, tinanong ko kahapon si Kuya. Kuya, can we go into the resort when we wake up tomorrow? You don't open the gate. Ang sabi ni Kuya, you don't open the gate until I give you a jet.
Don't you think hindi yan hujat?
No,
Na meron tao sa labas?
That's not from Kuya.
They have
Still.
to test.
No, makes sense.
Oh, ang reason ko lang
If
naman.
we lose, then it's Paco's fault. Paco will take the blame.
I don't want to risk that.
No, but Kuya said, ano ba, kakasabi lang ni Kuya, importante,
Bantayan.
sundan din yung rules ni Kuya.
And Kuya said wait for his hujat.
Yeah.
Ay, oo nga, no.
Tinanong ko talaga.
Yung hujat ni Kuya, what I've known is that
Teka,
no, I
wait,
understand
nasa
the
rules na
intercom.
hindi tayo pwedeng kumausap sa mga outside world na tao.
Hindi naman sila outside world.
They're
came
trying to
from
make us feel
outside
sorry
world,
for them.
so
They
They're
have
ex-housemates.
We
Don't know what
they will do
But
here.
Still,
Yeah.
guest pa rin sila. Alam
don't
ko
know,
kasi
that
dati,
is
pag may
like
guest si
a
Kuya,
distraction
dati
or
nakakostume
not.
pa ng unggoy eh. Isa sa mga test yun, patapos na yun. Tapos, nung papasok yung unggoy, sobrang paranoid na nilang lahat. Inaway nila, pinalayo nila, tapos biglang tinanggal, ex-housemate, or isa sa mga guest. Isa sa mga, tapos tinanong sila lahat ni Kuya, ganyan yung ba itrato mga guest ko na kahit na ako nagpapasok niyan eh.
Pero walang hudyat si Kuya.
Pero ikaw nga, kung ikaw may bahay ka, tapos kilala mo yung mga tao na yan. Kilala
You
ni
know
Kuya.
them. I don't know them.
But still, ang point, hindi sa akin, hindi ko kilala. Ay, si Kuya.
It doesn't-
Ex-housemate, andyan si Luz, andyan si Kigoy. Anong point niyan?
So what? Like what we all said, we
Kung
usually wait
magalit
for
man
Kuya's
si Kuya
hujat.
sa'yo, don't you think you have to make a stand? Kuya, I know those people.
I don't know half those
At
people.
least I know some of them.
You know them, but we
Luz,
don't know why
Kigoy.
they're here.
Diba?
There's a reason why they came from the resort and not from inside
That's
here.
the point, it's a test.
Exactly. We
It
have
can
to
be a
wait for
test
Kuya's
both ways. And
hujat.
ako, I'm making a stand.
Well,
Kilala ko sila.
for me, I'm not
If Kuya
risking
asks
it.
me,
There's a reason why it's locked.
But still, if Kuya asks me, bakit mo pinapasok pa ako, I will tell Kuya, I know those people and they're your guests. Ikaw nagpapasok dyan. Nilagay mo yung lock na yan because
Actually,
it's a test.
either way, it could be a test. Either way. It could be a test. Oh, why didn't you just...
But you know me.
Sabihin ni Kuya, oh, why didn't you treat my guests well? Or, pwede sabihin ni Kuya, why did you
bakit
open
sila pinapasok?
pinapasok na sinabi ko sa inyo, lock lang yun. So,
Ako,
it's a toss-up. Pero sa akin, tinanong ko talaga si Kuya kagabi, Kuya, pwede ba pagising namin, buksan namin ang resort? Kasi akala ko may gagawin lang. Sabi niya, magbibigay ako ng hudyat kung pwede nang buksan.
You guys know me. I'd rather be safe. I'd wait for Kuya's hujat.
Kasi sabi ni Kuya
Ako, I want to make a stand.
For me, if they're mad, I don't care. I don't know them. Let them be mad at me. That's just my opinion.
That's a toss.
I think they just follow the Kuya. Because Kuya nothing to say about them, right?
Hindi na pwede ganyan.
Oo, hindi kasi Paco, yun din, kahit gusto natin silang papasukin, nasa rules yun na.
Kung gusto
Oo.
nila
Pero
pumasok,
ikaw,
di
anong
pasagin
tingin mo?
nila.
Anong tingin mo?
Pero alam
sila
nila
lahat
yung rules,
pwedeng...
di susundan nila.
All of them controversial housemates. Like, sila yung may mga issues lahat. Hello, background of all people, all controversial housemates. Like,
May mga
Baron,
Oo, dito sa loob ni Kuya.
A lot of them.
si Kigoy, si Luz, you know.
Si Baron Geisler.
Baron, guys.
Si Beauty.
Beauty, anong...
Si Beauty. Taga
anong-
Cebu
Oo,
yan.
alam ko. Anong nangyari sa kanya?
Ano lang, crazy lang ata siya dito sa bahay.
Yung mga ganyan.
Sa tingin mo rin naman, huwag natin silang pahitin.
Sila lahat, parang character na
Paano
character.
ba? Kasi wala ding hudyat si Kuya. Gusto nga natin silang papasukin.
If they wanted something from us, it would be easy for them to do it. Because that's why they're picking
Why
at
is Paco
food.
so
Actually,
anxious
oo.
to open the gate?
He didn't even think about it.
Hindi nyo naisip kung ano mangyayari.
Yeah, if they're saying that there's someone, they just came from the outside world.
Hindi natin alam, di ba kung may secret touch sila, pwede.
Oo, baka yan yung secret task niya, nabuksan niya.
Hindi natin alam, pagpasok nila, they're gonna hold us out, then get the box. Simple.
Madaling masagin yan.
And plus, we can't close the door. We can't hold the door closed because that's bawal.
No, there's no food yet.
Ano, tsaka walang udit si Kuya. Wala, yan, natatakot na tuloy ako. Ayoko na nga
You can stay
makapag-usap.
out there.
Okay, you guys decide.
Yun ang sabi ni Kuya, sundan niyo yung rules. Diba?
Follow the rules. Naalala mo yan.
Yes.
Yeah, follow the rules. He didn't say. But if they were just saying, guys, just let us in. Bro, they're doing it so like we have to open the door for them. Like we have to feel sorry for them.
Kasi bakit sila
baka
magpapag
naman
dito? Galing na sila
they're also
dito.
trying to make us feel na, sige, may task kami, pero wala naman talaga. And then, yun yung point ni Kuya, how far will you go for it? Kung anong mga things na kailangan mo i-risk, anong things na mga kailangan mo i-sacrifice.
We'll decide as a group na lang.
But
Yung cartoons na sinabi niya sa atin and then later pina-change na. Kasi gusto niya makita natin sila.
of course.
Of course, para mabuksan yung pinto, para paglabas yung pinto.
Pero yun kasi, it can be a test like that. Tapos depende sa'yo kung anong stand ang gusto mong gawin.
Depende rin na, kaya pwede naman tayo mag-desisyon na isara yun
Kasi kung sabihin natin kay Kuya, mga guest yun, bakit hindi namin siya, kung magalit si Kuya, then magalit si Kuya. Pero yun yung test either to let them in or not. Mga guest sila. Sa tingin ko, visitor sila. So kahit nasabihin ni Kuya na kasi kung yan lang naman ang problema natin, we can all protect that.
Sa tingin mo, kaya ang protegahan? Kaya kong agawin yan, isang basag ko lang yung bukas yan.
Diba? O kung kaya mo ganun, then we can protect that. O lahat sila maglakad dyan, tayo, protektahan natin dyan kung sa tingin natin yan ang intention nila. Pero bakal naman ibang intention nila.
Mabilis naman ang hila-hilain lang yun.
Oo.
Huwag na na.
Kaya ko talagang visitor sila, talaga ha. Sana kung galing silang confession.
Sorry.
Hindi ang easy na, ang dali lang
Tubig?
yun. Convenient na yun para sa atin. Na si Kuya, papasukin lang from the conference room.
Siyempre, di ba, maisip mo rin. Kaya nilak yun. Siyempre, sila yung bilang distraction.
Galing
para
sila sa
matasin
labas,
yan.
bakit sila gutom?
Oo.
Hindi, ubusin lang ang food natin. Problema ba yun?
Hindi, oo, mali din pa ako. Kasi bakit sila galing sila sa labas? Bakit sila
Pero nga,
gutom?
hindi. Kung ano man ang
Hindi,
intention
hindi.
nila. Kung ang intention nila, whatever the intention is, let them be. Pero ikaw, anong stand ang gusto mong gawin?
So, kasi nga pa
Bilang tao, kung tao naman sila, bakit
Gusto mo sila papasukin, pero may rules nga tayo na dapat hindi natin siya bubuksan.
I understand you.
Hanggat walang udyat si
It's
Kuya.
people I don't know at my house. They're friends of someone in my family. I'm gonna treat them with respect. I'm gonna be nice, give them whatever they need. Blah blah blah. But it doesn't sound like what they're saying is.
Saka may rules tayong sinusunod eh. Di ba yun ang sabi ni kanina, hindi ko na kung nga pala, dapat hindi talaga
He wants us to
bubuksan.
learn how to follow rules.
At the same time, kung paano mag-treat ng people na hindi rin tayo masyadong maging paranoid. Hindi ba tingnan mo, isipin mo, cause ng paranoia yan, box na hindi natin buksan. Tao na nasa labas, cause naman ng paranoia yan, pero hanggang saan ka magiging paranoid for it?
Box, pero sinabi ni Kuya na lock talaga yun.
But also the thing is to,
Hanggang saan ka maging paranoid for it, diba?
they're visitors. If they're not welcome, why would they